In this video, I'll show you how to create a PowerPoint presentation with pictures on your laptop. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint opens, you can either choose a template or start with a blank presentation. For this tutorial, I'm going to select blank presentation. Now, if you want a clean slide, you can remove the default text boxes. Simply click on them and press the Delete key on your keyboard. To add a picture, go to the Insert tab from the top ribbon. Now click on Pictures. If the image is saved on your laptop, select this device, choose your picture, and click Insert. Your image will now appear on the slide. If you want to use online images, go to Insert, Pictures, Online Pictures, or Stock Images, and search for the image you want. Now, to crop or style your image, select the picture and open the Picture Format tab. Click on Crop, then choose Crop to Shape. From here, you can select any shape you like, such as a rounded rectangle or circle. You can also resize the image by dragging the corners of the picture. Next, if you want to add a title, go to Insert and click on Text Box. Draw the text box on your slide and type your title. You can increase the font size, make it bold, or change the style from the toolbar above. If you want to add a description or paragraph, repeat the same process by inserting another text box. Then type or paste your text and adjust the size and position as needed. You can move your text and images anywhere on the slide to design your presentation the way you want. That's it. This is how you can create a PowerPoint presentation with pictures on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.